Yun, 3:30 late na kami. Maraming Palawan.
Edge, malaki pa siya starring.
Hindi, okay na, Will. Wala na iba. Maulan. Ang time check, mag-alas 4. Ayun. May dala akong Swiss knife, pinalipat. Ganang boarding, oh. 5 AM. Puerto Princesa. Ano? Z246. Touchdown, Puerto Princesa. Hello, people. Yun, come over here. Teka. Okay. Ganda na weather, thank you Lord. City tour na ako, man. Puerto Princesa Baywalk. Okay. Apo. Ito po ang katedral. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan. Saktong pangalan.
ito, ma'am?
Plaza Cuartel. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng Cuartel? Cuartel. Kasi ito yung port. Puerto Princesa. Memorial marker for the 140 American POWs. Magbe-breakfast kami. Chow. Yan. Dito na kami, Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. Dito, ano, parang crocodile farm yata. Ticket din. Every 15 minutes. Ang laking wallet niyan, Yuri Puri, no?
Ito ang balat yan pag
Saka ito, totoong balat, saka totoong skeleton.
And I will assist you from this point down to the hatchling house and out to the fence of the big crocodiles. And after that, if you still have time, then you want to explore more, we have the nature park and the reptile house. So you will see some endemic animals here in Palawan, like Palawan Bearcat, Palawan Porcupine, and Palawan Bearded Pig. We also have, it doesn't mean that they're sleeping right now. Just
Hatchling
don't
house.
expect them to move. So all of them, we have 1-year-old to 4-year-old saltwater and freshwater crocodile. Pwede na po yun siya na kami.
Kaya libangan nila, no?
So far, ang kaya po natin gawin, pwede po natin silang ibenta sa mga licensed farm para po gawing breeder stocks o inahin. Hindi po kayo bibili dito para kakain, bibili po kayo para gawin yung inahin. Yun po yung itlog po nila, yung gagawin nyo po skin or meat. Crocodiles. That's the big crocodiles. And everyone to your right side on our first pen, our candidate number 1 from the province of Aklan. His name is Aklan, a 16 feet long saltwater crocodile, 60 to 70 years old. So everyone, the lifespan of our saltwater crocodile is up to 100 years. It depends on their environment and their health. And everyone here to your left side, that is Mark from Sitio Marabahay, Tubo, Palawan, Makaraskas here in Puerto Princesa City.
Makmak.
17 feet long, almost same size of the...
Ayoko dyan. Wild. Imperial Pigeon. Like kalapate, oh. Palawan Bearcat. So, wala activity yung mga hayop. Parang ano.
1, 2. Dito sa mukha mo yun, dito sa mukha.
Ay, okay.
Yan.
Ay, hindi. Parang ayaw ko. Ikaw na lang.
Biro. Picture. Ayan, pagka pinatay ko yung power box. Vanilla Beach. Island Grace, El Nido. Touchdown na kami. Yun, maulang hapon sa El Nido. So dito ang jump off siguro ng mga activity. Malagay ko. Sana maaraw bukas ng umaga. Ngayon ay 4:40. Explore lang. Okay. Nido Boutique and Art Cafe. Mamita Seafood Boil. We don't talk anymore. Technically talaga pwede pa rin maligo pala. Okay. Ha? Shakes and crepes. Shakes and crepes. Hanap ako ng pwedeng chibugin. Falafel. Layo ko na. Pabalik na ako. Meatlandia.